I don't think people realize how collaborative film is. It's an incredibly community-based art form.
And to be on a set where there's like a group of 20 to 30 people coming together to create one story, there's just such an energy that like you don't get to experience anywhere else.
The habit of looking to each other to create something of value is one of the ways that we change the world.
I really do think that the community aspect of the CMA department is its greatest strength.
It's like a family. Everyone knows each other.
We're pushing each other to be better, but together.
Somebody's directing a film one week and they're running sound for somebody else another week. That's what brings life to this program.
One thing that I love about the film department is the easy access we have to film gear and equipment. We have editing bays, we have studios, we have a sound room.
We have 2 grip trucks fully equipped.
The first couple weeks, you're checking out equipment already and making projects.
We don't want to wait till their junior or senior years for them to start getting their hands dirty. We want them to start experimenting with their voice and their cameras and building that collaborative spirit within our program.
We are next to the film capital of the world.
And we have great opportunity here to bring Hollywood to our program and also to bring us to Hollywood with internships and with speakers coming in and screenings coming in.
And we have had students intern everywhere from Panavision to Paramount.
We've had a couple writers' workshops on one of the studio lots, and we got to experience that just because we're just a short drive away.
Our alumni range from people who have directed Marvel movies like Scott Derrickson, producers and writers on hit TV shows, social media stars like Zach King, executives at major studios, and people who are gaffing major productions.
The alumni love working with students. They love helping them to make that next step into the entertainment industry.
My mentor, when I came in, got me my first job, my first internship, my first experience on set.
Without that alumni-student communication, there's no way I would get as many opportunities as I have.
Many of our Biola faculty are active participants in the entertainment industry.
And I can rely on their expertise in the knowledge of this craft.
They are passionate about what they teach, and I think the greatest thing is that they want to see us succeed.
We care about our students, period. We care about their futures, their hopes, fears, dreams, goals, ambitions.
What we have is an integration of faith and learning that's unlike any other school.
We're really all about authentic stories and not just telling the stories that Hollywood wants or the stories that are even necessarily going to be box office hits, but telling real stories and telling your story.
We're going to pray with you. We're going to encourage you to find that thing that you're passionate about and what you believe is God's calling for you.
Even behind the scenes, if you can touch a production crew's heart and introducing them to Christ, I think that's more fulfilling than anything.
At the end of the day, we want to tell stories that make people think, that make people dialogue about it afterwards, but also make a difference in the way people live their lives.